What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. It's Kisaka, that is my channel name. I'm so pleased to have you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Today I have a video of a young Jamaican boy who is addressing Jamaican Parliament and the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Let's look at the video and then we share some of our views. This is the video.
Dear Prime Minister, where I live there are a lot of pedophiles, so I'm afraid of going to the shops when it's dark. Number 6, many of us are being bullied. Many of us are being beaten. Many of us are being sexually and emotionally abused. And we are being murdered. This violence started in the days of slavery, and to this day it continues. So I ask you, what are you doing to help break the cycle? One thing you can do is to listen to us. We are living with this violence every day. We are seeing it happen all around us, and we have a lot to say. Over the last 3 months, almost 300 children in 3 parishes spoke up about violence at sessions organized by UNICEF, the Office of the Children's Advocate, and Talk Up Youth. We learned about the rights we have in the Convention on the Rights of the Child, and we reasoned about what it means to have these rights, like the right to share our thoughts as we are here doing today. Research from around the world shows that this kind of trauma can have negative effects on all aspects of a child's development, and it can have a lasting impact. Children who have been traumatized by violence have higher risks of school dropout, drug abuse, depression, diabetes, heart disease, and involvement with violence and crime. I don't want to live in a Jamaica where the children are so hurt by violence that they grow up to hurt themselves or to hurt other people. Do you? Do you? Thank you.
So guys, this is a video of a Jamaican schoolboy. You can see he's very articulate. He knows his right, and he was addressing the Prime Minister together with the Parliament. And not only the Parliament, I think he's addressing the whole world. We as parents, we need to take care of our children and make them to be aware of their rights. I say kudos to Jamaican Parliament for allowing the rights, the children to address them. You know, in some parts of the world, children cannot even get a chance to get to the Parliament or such a place to address and air out the issues. So that is very good of the Jamaican government, what they have just done, giving a chance to the children. You know, the children are the future. The children are the generation of the future. They are the future leaders. They'll be the presidents. They'll be the engineers. All the technocrats of the future will be the children, and they have to be empowered now. This is the time to empower them. So I'm so pleased with the Jamaican government, what they are doing. So in this video, you can see the boy. First of all, he knows and is very eloquent. He's even eloquent than me and some YouTubers. In this video, he has shared some of the vices. Like he has said that there are some pedophiles. That is people who go after children, having sexual advances to children, which is wrong. I think people, the elderly or the elder in the society. Not I don't by elderly, I don't mean the people who have advanced further in age, but 18 years and above. We should take care of our children and watch over such people who sexually abuse children. They should be totally removed in the society. And also efforts should be made to ensure that such people change if they are there in the society. The child in this video has also spoke about being bullied, about sexual abuses, murder cases, and also terrifying incidents of shootings and stabbings. That is really terrifying to such kids. When they get to see that, it will traumatize them throughout their entire life. As parents, we should be concerned and make sure that our children, even the kind of movies and music that they watch, we should be watchful about that and ensure that we guard and protect them from some of bad music scenes and bad movies at this age. And also, when you stay at places that are very prone to such cases, it's good to move to at least safer zones. I understand at times it can be hard to move because of financial constraints and other constraints, but if you have the chance, it's good to move to safer areas. Another case that has been shared also is about one of the parents who was beating their children in the name of disciplining them, but it's like they were bullying him. That should not be happening in this time and age. We should know how to discipline our children. We should discipline our children knowing that they are our children, and not beating them as if we are beating people like thieves. And when disciplining our children, we should not. When disciplining our children, we should not do it under when we are angry. We should wait until when our anger has subsided, then we can go ahead and discipline them. Also, our words, we should be watchful of the words that we tell to our children. Like if you tell a child that you cannot be anything in life, you cannot make it in life, the child might be growing having just that kind of notion that he or she won't be anybody in life. We should not tell. You remember, whatever you tell a child at this point, when they are growing up, they're gonna have it in their mind growing up. And he has also shared and told the Jamaican government that they need to listen to them more, which is a good thing. I think the Jamaican government is doing. And the child has also shared some of the problems of child development that are caused by when children tend to experience most of these vices. The majority of them tend to drop out of school, engage in drug abuse, crime involvement, ending up hurting themselves and hurting others. And in the end, he has ended by telling the Jamaican Parliament, that is the Prime Minister and the Parliament, to not condone that vice and come up with ways of protecting the children. This is very good, and it shows that the current generation are empowered. They know their rights, like the right of expression that they have has been organized by some of the bodies like UNICEF, which made them to be aware of their rights and freedoms. Guys, I want to also address the vice of the gangs forming up and all these negative troubles that have been facing, like the killings, the stabbings, the daylight shootings, and so others that this kid has addressed. You know, the people who are not employed, a majority of them tend to harm others. Unemployment is one of the issues that tend to lead to some of these vices. So also the government should act and ensure that it offers a lot of, there's enough employment opportunities to its citizens, to the Jamaicans, so that some of these vices cannot be happening. Also, the religious communities should help their hand in praying for these guys to reform, so that these children may coexist well with all the neighbors and the people in the environments. So the Jamaican community should put in more effort. I don't want to blame the government of the day, because some of these problems has been in existence like throughout. In every government, everyone will raise complaints. I've never seen a government that no one complains about. But in every thing that the government does, kindly take the positive and also the negative. There must be some positivity in what they're doing, and there's also some negativities. So the government should work hard on that. So this has been the video for today. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jamaicans that are supporting other Jamaicans and Africans to be, and Africans at large. Continue showing your love and continue holding the hands of other Jamaicans, so that we can protect our children and ensure that we have a future generation that is strong and productive. See you guys. See you on my next video.